shrinkage wavy. Yeah, that melanin.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I wash my hair, and I start off by sectioning my hair in two. I usually section in four, but my hair looks pretty manageable, so I only section in two. I go ahead and shampoo. This is the shampoo I use. I think it's OGX damage remedy something, but it has been so good. It helps me detangle my hair easily. It doesn't strip my hair. It helps with detangling and everything. I will try to put the link to the shampoos and the conditioner, everything I use in this video, in the description box below. And moving on, so you would want to wash your hair in the beginning with warm water. That would help open up your cuticles and help remove every buildup from all the gels and products you put in your hair. So I go ahead to shampoo my hair for the second time, and that is when you realize that your hair actually lathers properly. And try as much as possible to wash your scalp and wash the actual hair to take away every dirt and everything from your hair basically. So yeah, I straightened my hair a month ago and I had severe heat damage. I did not realize it until now, and don't be like me. I mean, I enjoyed it when I did it because my hair was manageable. I could easily comb my hair and everything, but I forgot all about heat damage. But moving on, I go ahead to rinse my hair, wash my hair, and this is how my hair looks like after shampooing. With the heat damage, it looks like stretched out hair, and I'm not sure if it's just the ends or it's all through the hair. But anyhow, just so you know, I'm not going to cut my hair. I'll just go ahead and try to treat it for my hair to come back to normal. That's that. But anyway, so I go ahead and add baking soda. I pour baking soda and mix it with my conditioner. I pour probably about 2 tablespoons, not too much, and then I mix it with my conditioner. And I also use the OGX conditioner as well, and it's like the best. If you have kinky, extreme kinky hair, I don't know if there's anything like extreme kinky hair, but like if you have kinky hair, try using this conditioner. It is the best. It helps me detangle easily, and combining that with the baking soda. So baking soda helps me detangle my hair, and then it helps clarify and cleanse my hair. So because I have low porosity 4C kinky hair, but I don't think I do have that anymore because of the heat damage. Go ahead and detangle my hair starting from the roots to the scalp, but you might want to finger detangle more often. And apply a little more conditioner and start massaging my scalp with a scalp massager. So apparently massaging your scalp with a scalp massager helps decrease stress and helps promotes hair growth. And so I tried it, and it's actually nice. It feels really nice, and I think it's better than using your fingers. So yeah, I rinsed out my hair still with warm water, and yeah. So you might want to try. I'll put a link in the description to the scalp massager, but you can get any scalp massager. There are some that use batteries and stuff. So this is my hair after conditioning as well. So after that, I go ahead and use my apple cider vinegar. I use equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water just to balance it, and this helps to cleanse and clarify my hair. It also reduces dandruff and hair loss. So in other words, it kind of helps your hair grow a little bit. So you can try that too, and let me know what you think in the comments when you do that. And I massage that all through my hair and rinse it out. I think some people do not rinse it out, but then I don't like the smell, so I rinse mine out, but it still works. So you can do that too if you want. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to your friends. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share to anyone who will find this helpful as well. So after rinsing that out, I am done in the shower, and I do the same thing for the other side. I just braid that up or to the side, yeah, and dry it with a t-shirt. Never dry with a towel because that kind of tears your hair. So dry with a t-shirt, an old t-shirt, and basically that is how hair looks after washing. And this damage is serious. Look at the ends, and I didn't really have like bad shrinkage like that, but it's pretty shrink. So I go ahead and add some oils. I use light oils because I have low porosity hair, and in my next video I'll probably be talking about the various types of hair and the oils and creams and products to use. So initially when I started, I used to use like shea butter and coconut oil and stuff, but it used to make my hair like really hard, like I could not even comb through, and I realized that my hair was low porosity and it needed some certain types of oils and creams and stuff. So I will talk about that in my next video hopefully. So moving on, I section my hair into smaller parts and try to finger detangle with my Cantu leave-in conditioner. And yeah, I finger detangle in small sections, and I do that all through my hair, and that is it. That is basically what I do. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you in my next video. Bye.